The story of the Child Witness Center over the past 12 months could not be told properly without sharing how the children and youth we serve have been impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Despite the challenges and restrictions of the pandemic, our programs have never stopped. Our team has never stopped. In a way, the pandemic has highlighted how vital and essential our work of providing support, education, and advocacy for children and youth under the age of 18 who are victims or witnesses of abuse or crime really is in the community. Our client referral numbers are similar to or higher than our pre-pandemic levels. This is true for both our programs. Our advocates in the Child and Youth Advocate Program, along with our partners at the Waterloo Region Child and Youth Advocacy Center, play a vital role in supporting children, youth, and their families through the investigations of abuse. Our Child Witness Program offers specific supports for young victims and witnesses who are involved in the criminal court process. Our team of caseworkers walks with these young people and their families through this stressful and difficult process. Between our programs, we have already worked with 1,370 young people in Waterloo Region, Guelph, and Wellington County from 2020 to 2021. Some of the important tailored supports our team has continued to provide include crisis intervention and safety planning, helping young people cope with their fears and anxiety, helping parents and caregivers be effective in supporting their child through this experience, and connecting children and families to other community services, helping them deal with the trauma so they can begin to heal. Here is a snapshot of what our team may face in a month. In January 2021, 44 new investigations were referred through the Waterloo Region Child and Youth Advocacy Center, including 69 children and youth. Of these 69, 53 young people were directly supported by the advocates in our Child and Youth Advocate Program. These numbers show us that every day, brave young people are coming forward about their abuse. For our Child Witness Program, our team received 51 new active cases, putting their total of current active clients at 640 young people. Locally, we are consistently seeing that almost twice a day, charges are being laid for a crime against a child or youth. The numbers are startling and show how much work really needs to be done in terms of protecting and advocating for young people in the community. Did you know that approximately 90% of the victims we support know they're accused, and that greater than 95% of the time, the crime involves abuse or exposure to violence? This speaks to the potential complexity and severity of these situations and the need for a neutral party to walk with these young people and their families through the criminal justice process. Research demonstrates that early support has a positive impact on the healthy development of youth and children, positioning them for better success in adulthood. The consequences for a lack of intervention can be very steep. When young victims are unsupported, they are 4 times as likely to report self-harm and suicidal thoughts, and also 30% less likely to graduate from high school. With support, this can significantly reduce the demand for downstream services, benefiting the client most of all, but also ultimately helping build a stronger, safer community. It has been important for our team to adapt our response in the wake of the pandemic to ensure that we are supporting our clients through the unique challenges they are facing during this difficult time. Notably, there are now provisions for remote testimony in the court system, and we have been using the Child Witness Center office as a safe place to provide this remote testimony. Unfortunately, for many young people, home may not be a safe place for them, and often clients may not have the adequate space, equipment, or internet to complete this testimony. Hosting clients at our office also provides safety and security of not having to run into an accused, potentially reducing further trauma. We know that this is a temporary solution and are looking at further space within the community to provide remote testimony. We have also added a furry friend to our staff team. Meet Monet, an accredited facility dog who joined our team in 2020 and supports our clients in the Child Witness Program. Monet provides non-judgmental comfort and support to the young people involved with the Child Witness Program. She offers a cathartic and healing touch where human responders simply cannot. She helps draw out healthy emotions, helps normalize traumatic situations, and adds a positive component to a potentially traumatic situation. In addition to facilitating a comfortable and safe environment for young people, having Monet creates a positive association with the center, aiding in relationship building between caseworker and client. Monet also provides comfort to both CWC staff and other justice partners, helping reduce the impacts of vicarious trauma. For all these reasons, the addition of a facility dog to a program like ours is considered a best practice when supporting victims and witnesses through the criminal court process. Like the rest of our support team, Monet has been hard at work with our clients. In December, Monet had 5 client meetings, including a court tour and evidence review. She recently completed prepping her first client from start to finish, being present at all court prep dates. Our caseworkers report that Monet has had a significant positive impact as a mental health support for the children that she works with. During the past 12 months, we have continued to be active in the community, strengthening and expanding on our partnerships. We are so grateful for the terrific organizations and groups that we continue to work with. We believe that the community is always stronger together, and that the last year has really emphasized that point. Some of our highlights from 2020 to 2021 include that our Executive Director, Dave Morneau, participated as an ambassador for the Women's Crisis Service of Waterloo Region's She Is Your Neighbor campaign, raising awareness and taking a deep dive into domestic, intimate partner and family violence. Part of this involved a recorded podcast. CWC has also been an active member of the Keep Families Safe collaboration led by the Waterloo Region Crime Prevention Council and including several organizations whose purpose is to raise awareness about family violence, especially during the pandemic. Information and resources are provided through their website and porch chats, connecting the public to various organizations with the community that people can turn to for help. In the launch around Father's Day 2020, our executive director provided a recorded video talking about his experiences in parenting during a pandemic and how we can all be better parents. This initiative has reached over 1.5 million people. Our organization has also been very actively involved at both the provincial and national levels, leading the way in raising awareness of the need to create sustainability within child and youth advocacy centers. We participated in a press conference involving other CYAC leaders and David Lametti, Minister of Justice and Attorney General of Canada, talking about the importance of our work. We have also been an active voice provincially. Along with all other provincial CYACs, we have sought to raise awareness in Ontario and seek additional support from our provincial government. Community is truly at the foundation of everything we do here at CWC. Without the support of the community, without the support of you, everyone attending here at the Pancake Lunch today, we would not be able to provide our services to the vulnerable children and youth who need it most. On behalf of our entire team, thank you so much.